Hey guys, Josh here with Superior Boat Repair and Sales. Today I'm going to give you a walk around on this brand new 2024 Barletta Cabrio 22UC. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we did this one in the black diamond with the Blackout kit. Did the upgrade with the double bimini. And those are power biminis. We sat this on a tandem axle trailer by Boatmate. See that really nice spiral style staircase going up to the bow there with the dual handrails. We did do the Mocha gator step to kind of match the interior. It's a really good setup there. This does have a full tri-tune package, so you can see all the underskirting underneath, full length lifting strakes, really big splash guards there up front. All these tunes are shaped in-house with Barletta, and they're reinforced on these cones. One of the main reasons that Barletta holds up. So again, you can see that Blackout kit. Does all this down here, does your rails here, all the way up onto the bimini frames. Just a great package there. These Cabrios are now coming standard with this awesome lily pad ladder on the transom. Really nice big steps here. Makes it super easy getting in and out of the water. Again, you saw how easy it was to fold down there. And then we paired this boat with the Mercury V6 200. This thing will get up and fly, that's for sure. Again, you can see those full-length lifting strakes. Nice feature that we have are those center guide poles on this trailer. That makes for loading this boat real nice and easy. Just helps guide it right on. All right, let's take you up inside and we'll show you the interior. All right, starting up here at the bow. So you can see we did this in the Carmello tan with the white piping. Just a really cool contrast. Kind of see it up here with the stitch. Got those retractable armrests up here in the bow. Makes the seating just really nice and comfortable. And then we did the more tan flooring. Just kind of go with that more brown interior color. Some things I usually forget to point out are simple but effective. These really nice bow, like door stops, and then these full-length rail supports. So that way everything stays nice and sturdy when you're closing this. I mean, I'm pulling and you got nothing there. So nice standard feature is that doggy dock view, looking out the bow, and then it's also on the port side. Got a built-in trash can there underneath this seat up here in the bow. Part of that UC package is the dual captain chairs. So you can see nice high backs, got some really nice upholstering, nice headrests there with the embroidery. I mean, just really well put together. The center section is perforated. You see that on high-end cars. I've got the table set up over here on the port side. So it's great. Put some food up there. just works out nice. Here amidship in the floor, you've got a huge storage compartment. I mean, I'm 6'3", and I can almost get inside there and lay all the way down. And then one thing I forget to mention all the time is this great bag that's built into the underside of the cover. So as you pull the cover off, you just wrap it up and put it into its own bag, and it stores nice and easy. Makes a small package there. Great thinking on Barletta's part. All right, taking a look on the starboard side here at the helm. So first off, can't forget about the dog trays. Nice little feature. And you've got that raised helm. That nice foot cut out there. Such a comfortable helm area. Got those bimini switches there. Wireless charger. It's a really great, stylish helm we have. And then the main feature is the Ultra Lounge. So I'm sure you've seen it. This can be adjusted in multiple different ways. You got that bench, forward-facing bench seat right now. Pull that back. Now you got a rear-facing lounge, and then obviously these will lift up and lock into place. Same with the stern ones. Those will come up so you can be facing forward. I like to point out tons of area back here on the transom. So this is already integrated, these little screw holes right here. So if you did option this boat with the lily pad diving board, it just screws right in. Real nice and easy setup. Plenty of room back here to be able to hang out, go swim, not going to be tripping on anybody. And then obviously you got this real nice and sturdy ski tow bar there. Pulling a tube or wakeboarder, whatever you want there. Great side entry. Walk through here on the starboard side. So give you one last little look. Great color scheme. Pairs nicely with that black diamond exterior. Alright, that was a quick walk around on this brand new 2024 Barletta Cabrio 22UC. If you want some more information, give us a call here at Superior Boat Repair and Sales, 916-638-3382. Or come on down and take a look at this boat in person. You will not be disappointed.